Tonight is the night. We are going to try to do our fastest rebuild ever. This truck just came in today from Copart. It is hit right here. This is pretty much the only damage on it. We think that we can pretty much have this thing. I can see, you can see Lance over there in an Antonio Brown jersey of all things. So yeah, we can destroy that thing. It's a work jersey now. But we think we can have this thing ready to go to the inspection station in about 15 minutes. Everything varies state by state as far as like what you can have pass a salvage inspection, I think. Like Pennsylvania, we can't have this, can't have it completely destroyed, but if we straighten that out and everything, that's no problem. Like the scratches and everything's no problem. The only thing that we got ready ahead of time was this spare tire we pulled off, but otherwise, like literally, this is how it came off of the truck today, the rollback. So, from Copart, like this is it. So, I want to show you how easy some rebuilds can be. Obviously, this is an exception rather than the rule. And just a little overview, this is an 07 F-150. It is two-wheel drive, which is real unfortunate. Has 146 on it there, as you can see. Paid $1,300 plus fees. It's just a little bit, I mean, a little dirty on the floors there, but like, it looks like it was owned by someone older and they really took care of it. Like it's never been sat in the back or anything like that. Real solid truck, like starts right up. Does have the ABS light on. I think that's a wheel sensor at that rear axle, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue here. But otherwise, we're pretty much going to take this wheel off. We're going to put a 2x4 into the bedside right here, push it out, and that's about it. We'll put that tire on instead of this one, because this tire I'm pretty sure is shot. Right now it's jacked up, but it's all off the rim and everything. If they didn't have the jack under it right there, it would be on the ground. And then we're going to take it for a drive and see if it's all right. We think the axle, the only thing that would mess up our plans here is if there's something wrong with this axle, but we don't believe that that is the case. Should be like 100% ready to go tonight.
Woo! All right. That might be slow.
That's a 12 point.
It is. You got a hammer? Tuck on there a little bit. This 15-minute rebuild's already screwed. Lug nuts are supposed to be easy.
Oh, hey, never mind.
All right.
Get rid of that. We do need a new tire on that wheel. Actually,
I have a new wheel.
Oh, you have a new wheel?
Yep. Okay. So you just want to put the new one on now to pry off of? I kind of need something solid to pry on.
Yeah, I guess so.
So let's just put the new wheel right back on.
All right. I think we might have to go up just a little bit.
Oh, yeah? All right.
Yeah.
I'm going to say no. I think it's good. Or it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. That ought to be on that tight.
Nah. Alright, so we can start with that back part there.
Alright.
Right here. Thinking. A little something like maybe.
We also have a digging iron over there, which could be come into play. Which is our usual tool of choice. Oh.
Now, I'm going to give Ford a little bit of credit. It's actually a little harder to bend than I thought.
Well, that tire is real low too, which isn't helping. There, you got it. Pretty much. Oh, she is actually cut right here.
I did see that one cut.
That might be.
I did, yeah, I know. Let's see what those sharp edges. Okay. Yeah, that I might need to do a little just bump into that or something. Actually, follow it on the body line.
Oh,
Right, yeah. Done.
Pretty close, honestly.
Actually, I'm happy with that. Just put that little banged up section back in. You with just a bare hammer.
All right.
Okay, cool. Let's go with that for now. And this side here could be a little bit to overcome, but we'll see. I'll start down below, I guess. Oh, no, maybe middle. Oh, no.
I think that one's going to be easier because there's a lot more give on that side than the shoulder side.
Let me see.
You might need the digging iron on that.
Yeah, well, actually kind of slip a little bit. It's not slipping with the wood. Might put a block of wood behind there for me.
Yep.
Just on the tire, maybe.
Right about there.
Yeah, something even sideways. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
My finger was in there. It's
Sorry about that. There we go.
I can even get under there.
Yeah, I'm thinking about maybe seeing about hitting that
Yeah,
out.
you gotta.
Creeper? Yep, hold on.
I'm gonna do it on that one too.
Alright. Guess that counts against our time, but
You're at 10 minutes.
here goes nothing. Here's a bigger hammer if you end up needing it.
Okay, that is a lot there.
Sorry.
Take that for a second.
Yep. I don't know if you'll get a swing with a piece of wood on it. Tell you what, actually, here.
This one is like a rat.
Put two of these on here. Okay, on the face of this dent right here. You got it? Yep. To give you one more to give me some prying action. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. Oh, you okay? It was working though.
Come down just a little bit. Yeah, right there.
Okay, I just want to make it flip again. You okay still?
Yep.
But I'm relatively happy with that. It covers the, well,
Need a little bit right here.
see if you can get any just blunt swings, even without the wood.
Nah, it's fine.
Or I can jack one. Can we jack one?
Yeah.
Are we live streaming this?
No. Okay. Your internet's not good enough for that. All right, stop there. Actually, it wasn't so bad. All right. Come back here then.
Yeah.
All right, stop there. I come back up a little bit. All right, stop there.
I'm sorry.
No, that's right. Get a little wavy.
Take the thing on top of this. Let me just have the head of it. Okay. Take it in through here. Go as high as you can. Okay. Let's pull it back out for 1 second. Put it on this side. Keep going on in. Go on. Okay. Now go ahead and bend that.
Down?
Down. Yep. No. 1 second. Let's go in a little further.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
You can even go deeper if you want. If you want to
I
try.
can't go deep.
Oh, okay.
It's hitting. Alright, now I got some.
Really? You got something good?
Yep, right there.
All right. Let me see. All right. Let's try that.
I think that looks pretty good considering where it started.
Fixed.
Calling that done?
Well, maybe get that back one just to make it a little prettier, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty much. I'm calling that done. I don't think I'm getting that where I want it to be. But this I'm going to fix up because there is a rule about sharp edges. And I think if I take all these here, nothing sharp.
We also just got the new wheel, came in right now. Obviously it's a used one, but we'll pop that on later. But as far as a salvage inspection goes, this is pretty much all that they're going to require, at least in Pennsylvania. Like I said, it varies state to state, but we actually took a truck through that kind of had this same damage on one time, and they said, no, it's no problem. So if someone's looking for a cheap, just vehicle, you know, that they could do some work themselves, I mean, literally, this has been 15 minutes. 15 minutes of work, it's ready to go to the salvage inspection, and it should pass with no problem, other than we need to put a little air in this tire yet, and then just check out the wheel ABS issue. But otherwise, body-wise, it's done. All right, and one thing to note is this stuff here actually is not scratches. This is just like rubber from whatever they hit, so with a little bit of time, you could actually clean up most of this stuff. The paint's not in terrible shape. There's a few scratches here and there, but not bad.
That'll actually clean it or not, but we'll see. Looks good while it's wet.
Yeah, I think it'll... We do have some paint that's definitely cracked back here.
Oh,
but
paint cracked here too.
But the majority of it, it's not too bad. Is that a McDonald's napkin you're using?
This felt like Taco Bell, but I don't know about...
You would know.
I don't know what Taco Bell napkins are actually like.
Yeah, you don't use them.
I never...
Just let it fly.
I've never been to Taco Bell today.
There she is. It's still a little wet, so I don't know that that's completely an accurate representation, but you can kind of get the point now. She does have the old 5.4 Triton, so that guy should need cam phasers about tomorrow.
They already had it done.
Did it?
We're going to say yes.
Probably. I mean, if it's made it this far, it's out, I'm done. That side does not look bad at all. I mean, it's still messed up. It needs a bedside, but it looks pretty good considering. It would be nice if it was a little lighter outside.
So far, so good.
Yeah, it feels good. Oh, they really have the air fresheners going.
Sprayers work, yep. Alright.
Alright.
See how she does on the road. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, spinning the tires.
Oh.
A lot of alignment there,
Might
or is
have
that
alignment a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, let's see if we got anything
Holy
in here.
crap! Oh my goodness!
That is a big...
You can put a body in there.
Well, you're gonna have to chop it up.
Yeah, I mean chopped up. I'm just saying, like, you can get all the pieces of a body in there.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Chopped up. I mean, I thought that was a given.
Alright, so the only thing we gotta check out yet is the ABS sensor, but otherwise, I'm gonna consider this thing
TPMS
rebuilt.
is on, but I'm pretty sure it's to the fact that the tire wheels.
Well, it was on before, but that was a flat tire, and then
now it's gone.
Now it's gone. So I'm gonna consider this truck rebuilt. We're gonna check the those old codes up there. Not available.
1342.
Left
front.
So that's actually interesting. So there probably even isn't speed sensors in the rear. Honestly, there's probably not on these.
Not.
So
I assume the other one's probably related to it. It's probably two codes except for one issue.
So that's it. That's our like 15, 20. I don't know. Let's call it 30-minute rebuild. You can see that's our finished product. It is not perfect. I'm not saying that it is, but it is drivable and it will pass inspection. Hopefully this is a good little tutorial of some of the stuff that you can find from Copart and other salvage auctions or just wreck stuff from Facebook Marketplace and everything, and have a clean running driving vehicle. All right, not that clean. The whole side's smashed. But have a running driving vehicle that's pretty reliable for not a lot of money. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.